Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to upgrade your Whalefall Canyon level or explorations level in Heartopia. So in this new Call of Whales event, you can just upgrade your game level on here, the Whalefall Canyon level, the level that's special for this event. And then you can just upgrade this level using this explorer certificate that you can get it from the complete the daily quest on here. And then before you can upgrade the level, make sure you already complete the explorations bar on here. And then after you successfully upgrade the level, you will get any rewards after every you successfully increase your level on here. You can get special rewards like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.